What is up, comic creators? Something that may be difficult to figure out when you first open up the CapCut mobile app is how to enlarge your video on the screen or zoom into a specific part of the video. I was having difficulty finding it if you're just not used to using mobile, so I'm going to show you real quickly how I did that. So the first thing I'm going to do is just split my clip right down the middle here, and the reason why I'm splitting my clip is because I want to cut to the scene of our doggo here, cute little guy, from this zoomed out area where you can see him getting pet, and then I want to zoom into his face. And so I've got two separate clips here now. I've got this clip and I've got this clip. So on this one I'm going to actually zoom in, so I press my two fingers on the screen itself for the dog and I move them outwards, and that's what actually causes it to zoom in. And then when I hold my one finger down on it and move it around, that allows me to move the piece of the frame piece of the image that's within frame. And so I'm just moving my fingers out and zooming in, and I want to get a really tight shot of his face. But that's actually how you enlarge your video or zoom in on your video on CapCut Mobile. Seems really simple, but if you haven't done it yet or you're first opening the app, you wouldn't know that this is in there. And you'd be sitting there wondering, clicking all the icons, how to do this, because there is no instruction. So that's how you actually zoom in to your video or enlarge the video in your project itself. So I've got that zoomed in, then I'm going to split this clip, and it's the same principle but backwards for zooming out. I'm moving my two fingers over it outwards, zooming it out, then holding my one finger down to repositioning it back on the screen the way it was before. But that's how you do that. So really interesting, but I hope that helps you guys out. Now I've got this shot where it cuts back and forth, and you can kind of see that. That's kind of what I was going for. But let me know if you guys have any questions or comments in the comment section below, or if you have any other ideas for any other projects that you would like to see. Please like and subscribe. All that really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. We're so close to our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and I'm super excited. All right, guys, I will catch you guys in the next one.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, comic creators. End transmission.